today's video, I'll show you how to add a start date to a task in Asana. By default, tasks just have a due date, but bigger pieces of work don't happen in a single day. A start date turns your task into a date range, so you know when to begin, not just when to finish. Let's jump in. First things first, from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project with the task I want to schedule by clicking on my test project. Next, I need to open the task's details. Hovering over the task in the list reveals a Details button, and clicking that slides open the task pane on the right. Here in the Details pane, you can see all the important fields for this task: the assignee, the projects it belongs to, and the one we care about today, the due date. Clicking on that due date will open up the date picker, so let's do that. Take a look at this date picker. There are two boxes at the top. The one on the left is the start date, and the one on the right is the due date. You can pick the start date straight from the calendar, or click into that left box and type it directly. Watch me type the start date now, using the day, month, year format. Pressing enter locks it in. And there it is, beautiful. The task now shows a full date range instead of a single due date, and you can see it updated in the task list too. With a start and end date, this task will also stretch across your timeline and calendar views as a proper block of work, which makes planning your week so much easier. One quick tip before we wrap up. Inside that same date picker, you might have noticed an add time option so you can get even more specific, and a set to repeat option for work that comes back around on a schedule. So to recap, open your task's details, click the due date, and use the left-hand box in the date picker to set your start date, then press enter. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.